Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and enjoy the rest of today's vacation. And you guys was, wow, wait, I gotta show you, it's in front of me.
The Atomium.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. You guys, I was gonna hang you up, but you're just in time. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hi babes, good morning, good morning. Wait, I have to put on my shades, it's too sunny, can't look pound right now. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day. Yes, it's sunny here today, honey child. We bring the sun from Nice to Kimmy chilly side of the world. You guys, we're heading to where are we heading today? Brussels,
Mini Europia and Atomium.
Oh, Mini Europia and Atomium. So we're going sightseeing today, a little tourist business. So we are in the city today with Kim. We are the road. Sarah, say good morning. Good morning. Good.
Bye.
Very good. You guys, we're driving two cars. The boys are in front and the girls are behind. We teaming, we tag teaming. Tyler said boys goes in one car and girls goes in one car. So that's what we're doing, but we're looking forward to today. We're gonna have a good day. The sun is out, so give thanks for that. It's like everywhere that we've gone lately, the rain just stopped just in time for us to enjoy the few days that we've been around. And it's the last full day here with Kimmy.
Too soon.
We'll be gone tomorrow until the next. I wish I was staying with Kimmy for a whole week. Listen, Kimmy prepare for us like we're gonna be here for a whole month. Let me just tell you guys that. Let me scandal Kimmy right now. Kimberly, Irvin, prepare for us like we're going to be living, like we're moving in. Literally. After crab night last night was so good. I'm looking forward to tonight. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna have a good day. Subscribe to the Fam Bam right now. Even if it's your first time watching, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and enjoy the rest of today's vacation. And you guys was, wow, wait, I gotta show you, it's in front of me.
The Atomium.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. You guys, I was gonna hang you up, but you're just in time. Wow. So what are those, Kimmy? What's the round things?
That's the Atomium.
Yeah, but like, what's in it? What is it? What he's reversing? You guys, you see that? That's one of the things that we're going. He's turning. I'm not supposed to be entering that straight.
You have to go around. Maybe we're at the back. But here's dead end.
Oh. That's the first spot that we're going. Those round ball things. It's called Atomium. So that's where we're heading right now. I'm gonna get ready to get out of the car so we can go and experience that thing right now. And Mini Europia after.
Yeah, it's close
so that
by.
A walking distance.
Yeah.
You're gonna walk.
It's like
Okay.
from here to over there.
Ah, alright. Anyway guys, let's go. Look at
De laatste
that.
keer hebben wij rechts gestaan hier.
Ja, wel.
Aan het Atomium rechts, daar hebben we toen gestaan.
Yeah.
Ja.
You said the last time.
Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. We are in Brussels, like I said, and this is one of the biggest attractions in Brussels. What is this one called again? The Atomium, and there's something called Mini Europa. So we're going to that one first, and we'll figure out after if we're gonna go inside of this one. But from the outside, it's absolutely beautiful. It has how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, count again. Count.
Chemistry, something about chemistry.
Oh yes.
So that's how it looks.
Yes,
like.
that makes sense.
Molecules of
It does
iron,
make
I think.
sense. When you're doing science in
molecules of
school,
Okay.
it does resemble the what would the molecules.
And so, yeah.
Exactly. That's cool.
When you go like up there so further, they get to molecule.
Yes. Because I'm in the angle of the sun. That's good, girl. Goody. No, I think I'm
And all the
mask.
fan bands behind.
And all the fan band. Honey, say hello.
Good morning.
Tyler. Good morning. Paul, say hello. Hey, good morning. Babe, when Babe talking with his mask down there, look at him. Always telling me look like he's covering his beard. His beard that he doesn't have. It's so dark. So the whole squad is out and standing.
Now you get wrong.
You cool?
Yes.
Put your hand in your pocket. Wait, hold on.
What is it? Thank you. Have a nice visit.
Okay.
We are inside Mini Europe is what they call it. So I guess the name explains itself.
This is nice because it's Europe but smaller.
Right, so it's showing like Paris, things in Paris. It's showing Germany, Belgium, all of the European countries. So let's see if you guys will identify anything based off all the vacation vlogs that we've seen so far. What's that? C'est quoi Jean-Monnet?
Jamon is a painter, but is also they explain here is him that he make the speech.
Director de Mini Europe?
No, this is the building that's the European Commission.
So there's a way for us to walk so that way we can visit everything properly. But just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. I guess as we go along you guys can identify some of the things that we've done already. Go Ty, go!
Oh, you can stand on it.
With your one teeth. What kind of sword man is this with one teeth? Who knock out your teeth, sword man?
Tyler is so proud.
He's so proud.
Kids are so proud when they are one.
Don't ask me why. This is Denmark.
I've never been there.
Yeah. But is Denmark on the right too, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So they're showing Denmark here. Lots of pretty cars in Denmark, is that true?
The capital of Sweden,
Stockholm. Okay, Stockholm is beautiful.
Mini helicopter.
So this is Lithuania. You guys know Avery Simmons is from Lithuania, so this is giving you guys an idea of what one of the most famous thing in Lithuania looks like. Famous monuments. No, this one is Belgium.
Make sure you get
Say that.
all of me, yeah?
Say that.
I say in 1952 when they created Europe, it was only 6 countries. It was at the end of the World War II, and the aim was to bring peace inside Europe.
Okay.
So the 6th country was Luxembourg, Netherlands, Belgium, we call them Benelux. Then Germany, France, and Italy. That was the only 6 countries inside Europe.
And how many are they now?
I don't really know, like 23, 24.
Wow, where is this one?
This is Netherlands.
Oh, that's Netherlands right here.
And that's Belgium.
Ah. So where in
slowly the
Netherlands is
country-
this?
It's written on the other side, which
Ah, okay. They don't do any justice to Netherlands. Netherlands is have more beautiful attractions. Where? Tyler, we turn here.
look. Liège in French, look in Belgium. This is not too far from where they live.
Okay.
Mama, look, somebody got caught by people.
Oh no, and a car is about to crash.
That's how they are, gangster.
Who wants to go in the circle for a ride?
What is this thing?
It's the eye.
Oh, the London Eye.
Probably not London, but it's an eye in another country. Wow, where is this one? Oh, all the bike. It has to be Belgium. Have to be all the bike have to be Amsterdam. Belgium. Oh wow.
Mama, look, the cruise that we went.
This is the cruise we did. Babe, no, that's not the cruise we did. This is Belgium.
Yeah, they're in Belgium.
It's not this one, Ty.
Oh. Oh,
Oh,
oh.
oh.
Oh, oh.
Oh, oh.
I like this boat.
Brussels. Exactly. They find the most beautiful. Wow.
So we will go here.
This is in town?
This is in town.
Ah, right, you guys. Keep an eye on this one, babe. So we're going to visit this place in town, hopefully. But it looks beautiful. All right.
They put the statue. They didn't put the statue of the
What statue?
boy peeing.
The little boy peeing is there?
That is the Queen and the King. And the
Ah.
Philip and whatever.
So how they to not have the boy
There's the
peeing?
Manneken Pis and the Manneken Pis.
He's not there. You guys should Tyler, look. Tyler.
Turn the wheel.
You guys should identify this one where we went in a few vlogs back if you watched it.
What's happening now?
Netherlands. What's happening? Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. It's a trick.
There's no wind.
Yeah.
We went.
Yes, Ty. This one is representation of World War I. 1918, babe says.
They stay more
Wow.
than I think like 2 years just to defend 100
interesting.
meters. So during 2 years they were
The
defending.
huge Antwerp. Antwerp
That's
is.
where we went in it.
It's been.
That's where we did the little detour.
Okay.
Statue van Antwerpen, hè? De man met de hand
Okay.
in his hand.
Look, the mask. What's the name of the movie? Money Heist.
Yeah,
It's right there.
Is the actual one. They're having mask. 11.
London deserved to be thrown out of this park.
London, United Kingdom.
They are no longer a part of Europe. So why are they still here? Why?
This is the Queen.
Yeah, I know.
Buckingham Palace.
Yeah. Buckingham Palace.
Tyler in the
Tyler, look. Go be a guard at the Buckingham Palace. Wait. Suripa, Tyler. Tyler, I'm not even seeing your head. Tip on your toes. You're tipping on both toes. Brexit remain.
Can't live without EU.
After the Brexit. Missing EU already. Oh my God. Vote yes to EU.
It's not the island. Island.
The clock. Yes, that's Big Benno. That's Big Ben. And the train. Tyler, be careful. Buckingham Palace. It's beautiful though, this one. Oh, we need to go over here.
Country you
And
enter.
now you guys should definitely know which country we're entering, as Babe say. Where are we entering, Ty?
France.
We are entering
How they do it,
the
like the
boss.
the tunnel under the channel. They did it very well.
Mm-hmm.
Very well done.
Yeah, it is. And the Atomium is behind us. So beautiful.
France.
Ah.
Press the button, Tyler.
Press the button, Ty.
So France is the largest.
Sing, Ty. Sing, babe.
France is the largest.
La la la.
EU.
La la. You're. This is the look, Ty, is the thing you and Sarah went on in Paris. Is the carousel you and Sarah went on in Paris?
That's not a carousel.
Yes, it is. No? I don't know what he's supposed to do.
See now, turns.
Oh, that's
Street that they picked my phone from my pocket just when I left here.
the famous street.
Yes.
Most famous.
The street of all the expensive stores.
I watched that vlog.
You saw this on the vlog? You guys should know this one. Paris. Frion.
Sacré-Cœur.
Sacré-Cœur, oui. You saw this one too?
I think I saw that
Yeah,
one.
you took the cabin too.
Sacré-Cœur, yes, and we took the cabin to go down and we walked all the way to the top, and the man that was talking to Sarah was up there. That's so cool.
Sacré-Cœur.
Sacré-Cœur. Look at her little arms. Look at her little arms. Look at your little arms. Drive, princess. Oh my God, her little arms. This one.
Pizza.
Pizza. It's the building that literally look like it's falling in Italy.
Ah, oui.
Come. You guys, belly full. We just ate lunch. Why am I shouting at y'all though? We just finished eating. Look at my face. Look like I put on 2 pounds since vacation. We had a good time touring.
Ik heb die alle. Ik heb Manneken Pis ingedaan.
Oké, dan gaan we volgen.
Ja.
Ja.
Johnson was telling them to listen to Kimmy speaking in the language. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to another spot. There's a statue that we want to see.
Famous.
A very famous statue in Brussels of a little boy peeing.
And a lady, Manneken Pis.
And a little girl peeing, or a lady peeing. One of the two. Manneken Pis and what the boy name?
Manneken Pis.
Manneken Pis and Manneken Pis. So we're gonna see people pissing, okay? That sounds just weird.
Kakopang.
Kakopang Pis. Oh God, TMI. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to this new spot. So you guys, these are the famous statues that's in Belgium. One is Manneken Pis and one is Manneken Pis. So we are going to see the original one. They're literally peeing. Musée gagne de Manneken Pis. Oh, ça c'est le musée. Regarde, non, c'est le musée à Manneken Pis.
Garde-robe.
Look,
Ça sont
c'est le museum. C'est le musée. The Museum of Manneken Pis.
The museum of his
Oui.
garde-robe is like all of the clothes that they put on him. Is a museum of.
Oh,
He has 900.
c'est vrai?
If you
You see him tired doing pee-pee? Okay, we're here.
Where is this toilet?
There it is, the famous statue. Anywhere you see the statue in the world, you know it's originated in Belgium.
look at this. Is the is it chocolate?
The peanut and the chocolate.
Oh, it's just
Peeing in the chocolate. I don't want it. Just joking. Oh my god.
Are you eating the little thing? I mean,
Manneken pissing in the chocolate. You guys, we are walking in the streets of Belgium and it smells so good because we're on the streets of waffles.
looks like we are in a very touristic because I see souvenir on the right.
We are souvenirs shops. That's what we're seeing right now. A lot of souvenir shops. Why is the camera so blurry?
No, they said the Belgian chocolate is one of the best.
One of the best. I don't like chocolate.
Belgium and the Swiss.
My baby girl sleeping. Guys, look at these buildings. The architecture in these buildings are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this man's beard. Wow. That's very stylish, neat beard. City center town. Center town. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh, wait. Let me take it all in from here. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's where we took the photo type, please. It's Johnny Capis, we don't see it yet.
I don't know what is this building, maybe the city hall, looks like a cathedral, but with the flag of Belgium and the European flag beside, I don't know. So yep, we're about to go trying to find a Manneken Pis female, his wife or his sister, I don't know.
I want to have pictures with you.
So the Manneken.
I am moving into Kimmy's house. Look at my dinner. Turkey neck that I haven't had for years. Curry goat. Good rice and veggies. Girl, I eat well.